Hello and welcome. Today, we will explore financial principles and techniques for strategic managers. This session focuses on the crucial role of finance in strategic decision-making, highlighting how financial governance, budgeting, and investment appraisal influence organizational growth and long-term success. Finance plays a vital role in strategic management by guiding decision-making. It helps evaluate financial governance and manage risks effectively. Financial decisions significantly impact organizational growth. Understanding these elements is essential for strategic leaders. This chapter covers the role of finance in strategic contexts. Agency theory and corporate governance are key frameworks. They help in understanding financial risk management. Strategic investment appraisal is another crucial aspect. Cost of capital concepts are vital for financial evaluations. These frameworks provide a structured approach to financial decisions. Budgeting is essential for resource allocation. Techniques like incremental and zero-based budgeting are commonly used. Activity-based budgeting offers detailed insights. Variance analysis helps in understanding budget deviations. Strategic cost management ensures efficient resource use. Effective financial resource allocation is crucial. It involves evaluating capital budgeting methods. Cost control methods are integral to this process. These strategies ensure optimal use of financial resources. They support organizational goals and objectives. Investment appraisal is key in financial decision-making. Techniques like net present value and internal rate of return are vital. Payback period and sensitivity analysis offer additional insights. Break-even analysis helps assess financial viability. These tools guide strategic investments. Financial performance ratios provide critical insights. They include liquidity, profitability, and efficiency ratios. Gearing ratios assess financial stability. Benchmarking and KPI analysis are also essential. These tools help evaluate financial performance comprehensively. Performance analysis tools are crucial for strategic evaluations. Liquidity ratios assess short-term financial health. Profitability ratios measure return on investments. Efficiency ratios evaluate resource utilization. These tools provide a comprehensive view of financial performance. Understanding the strategic financial context is essential. It involves analyzing financial statements critically. Evaluating performance indicators helps in strategic planning. Recommendations for financial improvements are based on these analyses. This chapter covers the strategic financial landscape. Budgeting and investment appraisal are interconnected. They involve evaluating financial performance and resource allocation. Strategic cost management plays a key role. These aspects support organizational growth and sustainability. This chapter explores their significance in strategic management. Risk analysis is crucial in financial decision-making. It involves assessing potential financial risks. Effective governance helps mitigate these risks. Strategic leaders must evaluate risk management frameworks. This chapter delves into financial risk analysis. Strategic recommendations are based on financial analyses. They involve logical justification and integration of theories. Accurate financial interpretation is essential. These recommendations support organizational objectives. This chapter outlines strategic financial improvements. Level 7 academic expectations focus on critical evaluation. Accurate financial interpretation is emphasized. Logical justification of recommendations is required. Integration of financial theory and practice is crucial. Harvard referencing is mandatory throughout. Assignments must be submitted via email. Ensure all criteria are addressed in a single submission. Formative feedback can be sought before final submission. Academic integrity is paramount. This chapter outlines submission requirements. Strategic financial management is vital for leadership success. Through financial principles and techniques, strategic goals are achieved. Understanding these concepts is crucial for effective decision-making. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 07484361 and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.